Hello, my fellow cadets. My topic is the life of cadet officers. And my concept is leading, assisting, and maintaining. So, before we start, are you familiar or are you aware of the duties and the responsibilities of cadet officers? So, if you don't, I will tell you or discuss you one by one. So, in leading, number 1, orientation of students. Number 2, role model on the school. Number 3, organizing events. Number 4, promoting and representing the school. So, what is orientation of students? So, if you remember, during the first day of school or before the class started, school conducted an orientation and officer is there to assist you, to put you on your designated chair or designated section. And organizing events, we organize events like, conducting earthquake drill, like that, promoting the school when there's an event outside the school, like exhibition of sword or sword sponsor. And role model, leading you that we are your officer, you can ask us or you can come to us if you need help. And in assisting, the first scope in assisting that I put is giving the cadet student a proper guidance. Number 2, making narrative reports. Number 3, roving of officer. And the last is assisting the teacher and cadets. So, in assisting, as an officer, I make narrative reports by typing a report of student who got caught cheating during exam or bringing unnecessary things like vape or knife. And as an officer, I guide them to not break or not to break the rules in the school. And assisting the teacher and cadets, I assist them if they don't know the academics office, guidance office, like that. So, the overall summary of my topic is how the officer maintain, lead, or assist the school to make a proper or safety year of the student. Implementing weekly inspection or enforcing school rules, and collaborating with school head and teachers to update them. That's all.